Hi besties, long time no see. I think the last time that I talked to you guys face to face was the end of last year, right before my brain surgery. As you can see, it went pretty well. I'm still in the recovery phase, but feeling a lot better and a lot more motivated. I just feel more human, which is very nice, and I'm very excited for the rest of this year. But I realized that I miss chatting with you guys, and I haven't done a sit-down chatty video in quite a bit. I also realized that I haven't really shared a lot of what I actually eat on this channel, especially because I have kind of changed a few of my eating habits to help me feel my best and feel more like myself again after my brain surgery. These are some of my favorite recipes that I've been eating on repeat lately, and I thought it'd be fun to share a few of them with you guys today. I guess one major change I've made is breakfast. I don't know why I am not a breakfast person, but I do wake up every day with the first thought in my head being food, and then that ends up with me eating a gigantic lunch and then immediately wanting to take a nap the rest of the day. To help fix that, I've been trying to eat more exciting breakfasts like this one that have a lot of different colors, textures, flavors. I've also been loving starting the day with a hot cup of tea. It's super relaxing and soothing. I'm gonna enjoy this, and then I'll see you guys in a bit for a snack because I snack a lot. So I'll see you later for a snack. Miss you guys, and I'm excited to spend the rest of this video with you guys. I am so hungry. I got really caught up into work, so I unfortunately did not have my snack yet, but we have lunch. I'm so excited to eat this. This is a spicy gochujang creamy tofu pasta with mushrooms. I typically struggle with lunch because I find it really hard to add protein to lunch because I guess trying to cook a meal really fast and just get it down. So my go-to is usually tofu, and I recently found out that you can turn tofu into cream sauce, which has been beautiful for me. It is so delicious. It tastes so decadent, but I'm getting my protein in for the day. We also have leafy greens for our anti-inflammatories. This is Korean style kale. If you had Korean banchan before, it's typically with spinach, but this is just what I had in the fridge. It's very yummy. I wish I added more mushroom, but that's okay. Hello, reporting from the outside world for once. I have a really bad habit of not leaving my apartment for days on end, so I thought we could have snack time outside today. I thought we could enjoy our little snack and our drink and get some sun and get some fresh air. I am already feeling a lot better than being cooped up in the apartment, so I'm actually going to read a bit and just sit here and soak it all in. I'll see you guys a little later for our next meal. Having a cookie for breakfast. As someone who bakes for a living and enjoying a sweet treat and a dessert here and there, I feel like when people talk about healthy eating, they always make it sound the worst possible thing for your body ever. But recently, I've actually been seeing a registered dietitian, and she has been reminding me that feeling my best and fueling my body to feel my best doesn't necessarily have to be restrictive. I have been having the best experience learning how to feel more like myself after my brain surgery last year. But I have been talking to the sweetest registered dietitian, and it has been so great to openly talk about how my body is feeling and how what I eat and my habits affect how I'm feeling through the day, both physically and mentally. I actually found my dietitian through Nourish, and I'm currently paying $0 to talk to her. So today I am so happy to be partnering with Nourish on this video. My favorite part is that there is no surprise billing, so your appointment will never cost more than the estimate of your initial appointment, and 94 of patients actually pay $0 out of pocket. If you do have health insurance, you can check on Nourish if they accept your insurance, which is what I did, and everything so far has been covered and just seamless and so easy. I've also been learning how to build balanced meals to make my body feel energized through the day as someone who struggles with a lot of bloating and also a lot of tiredness through the day. So I've been really trying to make sure that I balanced my proteins, fiber, and fats, and also include more anti-inflammatory whole foods. It literally takes less than 5 minutes to set up your first appointment, and I'll link it down below if you want to check Nourish out. Thank you to Nourish for helping me with this video. I highly recommend. Speaking of balanced meals, this cookie, immaculate. Banana bread, brown butter, chocolate. It's beautiful. taking a quick snack break. This is my tried and true snack, my absolute favorite savory snack. I feel like this looks absolutely delicious. Not sure if everybody would agree on that. The perfect blend of textures, flavors. I just love cottage cheese. And the combination of the chili crisp and the honey, beautiful. And then also popcorn for some crunch. And it's just a beautiful pairing. I have this almost every day. It's really good. So I'm going to have a little snack break and then I'll see you guys for dinner. Jupe and I are just chilling on the couch, but I think it's time to make dinner. That's everything I have for you today. As always, thank you so much for spending time with me. I hope you're enjoying the new season, and I really want to know what you like to do, eat, and drink during this time of year. But yes, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.